Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Do the cells in your spreadsheet look a little cramped for your data? Well, you can easily adjust the size of both rows and columns to expand them for easier data entry or improved readability. In this video, I will show you how to increase the size of cells in Excel. Let's go. Before you start, please note that it is not possible to change the size of a cell individually. While you can adjust their height and width, all cells in a row or column will also have the same dimensions. By default, the row height of each cell is 15 points. You can increase it further, but note that it cannot exceed 409 points. The first thing to do is select a cell. Go to the Home tab and find the Cells panel. Click Format. Choose Row Height, and just enter the size you want in the pop-up window. For faster access, right-click on the Row Height menu and select Add to Quick Access toolbar. To adjust the height of multiple rows at once, hold down the Control key and select the rows you want to change. Click the Row Height button you added to your toolbar and enter the desired height. All cells in the selected rows will then change simultaneously. On the other hand, if you want to widen the width of each cell, select the entire column and right-click to access the column width configuration. Enter a higher value than the default 8.43 points, but remember that the maximum is 255. Just as in the case of rows, all cells in a column will change simultaneously. You can also find the column width function under the Format menu on the Home tab and add it to your Quick Access toolbar for easy use. To change the width of multiple cells in different columns, hold down the Control key and select them one at a time. Navigate to the Column Width button on your toolbar and set your preferred size. Okay, if I've been able to help you, I'd appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription. If something didn't work out and you're stuck, check the comments. Maybe someone has solved the problem. Otherwise, I can try and help you further. I offer personal support on Fiverr and can give you independent advice. I also offer many other services. Feel free to check them out. You'll find the link in the video description. Until next time, bye.